Yeah, I want to give you a quick tour of the AS Club in Overcheck. Yeah. I'm not going to give it no 3 or 4 star, I'm going to give it a 2.5 star. I'll say 2.5 star, yeah? You get free Wi-Fi. Free safety deposit box. So basically this was 2 single beds what's been pushed together. Yeah, it wasn't a double room. Yeah. You get your fridge and they're supposed to fill it with 2 bottles of water. They've not done it. As I said, it's a 2.5 star. Yeah, there's the water there. It's a 2.5 star. Basic, and I mean basic shower. So it's a basic shower room. You get the balcony. So basically it's a twin room. Yeah, overlooking the pool. It's just basic, to be honest with you. So I'm going to give it 2.5 star. I'll say 2 star. More than 2.5. And you have to make sure you come with your own beach towel, man. Trust me, they don't give you no beach towel. You have to put a £20 deposit on the beach towel. Yeah, so make sure you come here with your own beach towel. Free aircon. So it's just a basic room. I say 2 star, to be honest with you. Alright.